Hey friends, if you wish to center, fill, stretch, tile, and spawn wallpapers in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now here is the wallpaper. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. Select background. You'll find the wallpapers here. Okay, you can change it to any wallpaper. Let's say this one or any wallpaper that you like. Now there's an option here which is choose a fit for your desktop image. The primary option is fill. You can change it to fit and then see what happens. It changes slightly a little. Change it to stretch. It will stretch the wallpaper. Okay, you might not see it in this one. Let me show you in this one. Okay, or let's say that I have this cute dog photo. So I will try and change the wallpaper first. Browse photos, cute dog, choose picture, and then make this a wallpaper. And now this is a little stretched. Let's say I had to tile it. Okay, so this is what happens when you try tiling it. And you can center it. So when you center it, you'll notice that it picks up a center point and it doesn't fit completely into the screen, but it makes sure that it is in the correct dimensions while the point is centered. And lastly, you can span it. I'll show you once again. This is what fill looks like. I mean, it will fill the complete, what do we say, screen. And this is what fit looks like. That even if the dimensions are not accurate, it will still fit. As you can see, there are black margins on both the sides. And stretch. It will stretch it. I mean, did you see what happened in that fit? In the first one, in the fill one, it cut the height, and in the stretch one, it will stretch the width. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.